गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। एमएससी सेमेस्टर 3 के बॉटनी के पेपर में बॉटनी के टेक्सोनोमी ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म्स वाले पेपर में हम प्रैक्टिकल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैंने पहले दो लेक्चर्स डाले हैं, 2-3 लेक्चर्स डाले हैं मैंने। उसी के क्रम में हमने इससे पहले लेक्चर में हमने देखा कि किस प्रकार से फ्लोरल फॉर्मूला, फ्लोरल डायग्राम जो है वो तैयार किया जाता है और वो क्या इंडिकेट करता है किसी फ्लावर के डिस्क्रिप्शन में। आज हम फैमिली टीलियसी के मेंबर का डिस्क्रिप्शन देखेंगे, फ्लावर डिस्क्रिप्शन। दिस इज कॉर्कोरस कैप्सुलरिस। दिस इज कॉर्कोरस कैप्सुलरिस। इसका इसका हम अगर हम डिस्क्रिप्शन करते हैं तो कॉमनली कॉल्ड जूट। इट इज एनुअल हर्ब with erect, branched, glabrous, woody, solid stem. Vast fibers are present in stem, which are of economic use. This plant is economically used for the production of plant fiber. Leaf stipulate, fusiform stipules, simple, simple leaf, alternate, arrangement of leaf is alternate, lanceolate, the shape of the leaf is lanceolate, petiolated, petiole is present with every leaf, glabrous, and unicostate reticulate venation. So these are the characteristics of leaf. Inflorescence is axillary cyme. This is axillary cyme inflorescence. Flower bracteate, pedicellate, actinomorphic, bisexual or hermaphrodite, pentamerous. All floral parts are multiple of 5 and hypophytes. This is all floral characters. Now come to calyx. 5 sepals, polysepalous and valvate estivation. Corolla 5 petals, polypetalous and twisted estivation. Androecium stamens indefinite. Indefinite stamens, polyandrous condition, many whorls, anthers dithecous and intros. Gynoecium pentacarpellary, 5 carpels are there. They are fused syncarpous condition. Ovary is superior as flower is hypogynous, so ovary is superior. It is pentalocular, 5 locules and with exile placentation. Exile placentation. Fruit is capsule. This is fruit. It is capsule. Globose and ridged. Floral formula is bracteate, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, K5 free, C5 free, Androecium indefinite, and Gynoecium 5 fused superior ovary. So, this is LS flower of Corchorus capsularis. This is floral formula. Here we can see the valvate estivation of sepals. The bract is present here. It is actinomorphic. Twisted estivation of petals and numerous whorls of stamens and pentalocular ovary with exile placentation. So this is the description of Corchorus capsularis, a member of family Tiliaceae. The another species of Corchorus is Corchorus estuens. It is annual herb with ovate leaves. Leaves are ovate here. There is difference between the shape of leaves. Flower is bracteate. Again, bracteolate. Bracteoles also present here. Pedicellate, actinomorphic, bisexual, pentamerous and hypogynous. Calyx 5, sepals polysepalous and volvate estimation. Corolla 5 petals, polypetalous and volvate estivation. Androecium indefinite stamens, polyandrous in many birds, born on androgynophore, Antherdithecus and intros. Gynoecium tricarpellary, syncarpus, ovary superior, trilocular, exile presentation, and fruit is sixth winged capsule. Here floral formula is bracteate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, K5 free, C5 free, androecium indefinite, and gynoecium tricarpellary and ovary. So here we can see the difference between the two species of Corchorus. First is there is difference in the shape of leaf. Here it is lanceolate, here it is ovate. Second, it is the difference between the strivation of the petals. In the Corchorus capsularis, petals are in twisted form. Here they are in volvate form as the sepals in the both the flowers. Here both the flowers are bracteate, but bracteoles present in Corchorus estuens. Next thing is the ovary. Although placentation is exile in both the flowers, but here the ovary is pentalocular and here the ovary is trilocular. So this is the description of Corchorus, two species of Corchorus, that is Corchorus capsularis and Corchorus estuens, belonging to the family Tiliaceae. Hope you will understand these very well. Thank you.